Now, this is a question of the day. What is ROS? ROS in full is known as the Robot Operating System, which is a set of software libraries and tools that help you build a web application. Although ROS has the word operating system in it, it is not an operating system. Instead, it's more like a framework on top of the operating system, and most of the ROS will run on it too. Just for your information, framework simply refers to a platform that provides foundation for developing applications. So, why should we use ROS? There are four main reasons here for us to use ROS when building robot. First, it is an open source where the code and library is free to use. Second, it's multilingual. It can be written with various programming languages, where in this workshop, we'll be covering ROS using C++. Maybe you will be wondering if ROS is a programming language. In fact, ROS is a software that uses other languages to write on it, such as C++ and Python, just like React and Unity. Thirdly, there are lots of packages provided for most of the robotic application. You can imagine packages is just like the library where we can just take it from online and use it. We do not have to write it from scratch. Fourthly, as we are doing autonomous vehicle here, we need to do some simulation. And ROS has some great simulation tools such as Bits and Gasball. In real-life application, you can imagine ROS is like a PC. There's a webcam, keyboard, and mouse that communicate with the PC. So this webcam, keyboard, and mouse will send data to the CPU, and the CPU will recognize the inputs. And now in the same way, ROS will communicate with LiDAR, camera, MU, and view encoders. Then the LiDAR data and camera data will be used and calculate some important data such as object avoidance, localization by using some algorithms. In real-life applications, ROS can communicate with multiple drones where we call it as nodes. We will be covering it later. Then each drone will communicate with the ROS framework. The ROS will send its data to the drone and get information to calculate the data and information that we want.